How to fix there is an active subscription on this account that requires this payment method. So if you're trying to delete one of your payment methods on your iPhone, I'm going to show you how we can do this and how to go and fix this error. Now, the first step is to go and open up the settings on your phone. You can then click on your profile name and then select subscriptions. Now, what you'll need to do is go and stop any active subscriptions that are currently on your account. You can do that just by clicking on the active subscription, and then you can go and press cancel at the bottom down here. And obviously you'll need to do this with each of your active subscriptions. Now, if you want to keep your active subscriptions but still remove your payment method, then we also have one other way to do this, and that's to come back over to your Apple account. You can then click on payment and shipping. You can then click on add payment method, and you'll need to go and add a second payment method to your account. As long as you have two active payment methods, then you can go and remove your original payment method. So you can see on the screen here that I have two different payment methods. So what I can do now is go and click on any of these, and you can see I have the option to remove this payment method, and this will work as long as I have two different payment methods. So that's it, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.